Hi, my name is Solomon. Welcome to this channel. I'm talking about Python programming language. Moving on to the next phase, which is the installation, how to set up the environment in Python, and how you can start working with Python. So to be able to set up the installation or to set up Python efficiently to be able to work with it, you need to install two software. Number one, we have the Python interpreter. So install the Python interpreter. So the time of this video, it was version 12. So you install any version from 3.5 or 6 and above, please. So older version of Python does not compatible with the present version. So like 2.7 like that. So we are using from 3.6 and above. So install any of those versions, and then I will show you the website where you can get those versions. Now, irrespective of the platform you're using, the second one is integrated development environment, where you type your code. We also call it code editor. So I will recommend you to use PyCharm for the purpose of this class. Now we have VS Code, we have Sublime Text, we have so many of them. So, but you can use PyCharm because PyCharm is customized specifically for Python, so that we can work together. Okay. Now, let me go show you the website. So we have this link here, Python. So you just download Python and then install it. Then we also have for PyCharm. So you go to the community edition, please. You just install it for whichever platform you are using. Okay. So just search for it on Google. I'll put all this link at the description below. So if you have any question, please do get back to me. Don't forget two software: the interpreter, Python interpreter, and then via code editor or integrated development environment. So these are the two softwares. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.